wish to introduce you our travel company sited in the wonderful exotic island in the middle of Mediterranean Sea. We have been working in the inbound tourism in Italy for more than 10 years now, and we are proud to boost and considerable experience to meet the approval of our most discerning clients and tourists. We work specially for the VIP clients and travel companies, and we consider each our client a VIP. We are specially oriented to tailor-made travel planning, but not only, as food and wine tours, one of our best-selling programs, in order to enter in the very essence of Sardinia Island, meeting the locals and learning how they work on the vineyards, produce the cheeses, oil, or how they create original and unique colorful handicrafts. This immersed in a breathtaking environment which Sardinia boasts and offers us. Wonderful white and sandy beaches, an untouched nature, flora and fauna, and unparalleled cooking rooted in the past, perpetuated to us by our grandmothers, whom have taught us a lifestyle and today make Sardinia the land of centenarians.
This is Roberto Tola, General Manager and co-founder of Visit Sardinia. I work in tourist field for more than 10 years, when, together with the president of the company, Natalia Vlaxin, we started the project Visit Sardinia, and we became a precious business partner for many travel companies all around the world. Also, I am a multi-awarded international musician in jazz music, touring and collaborating with the best musicians on the planet. I compose and release my music, like this you are listening now in this video. This part of my skills has surely contributed to enrich our company development, tours and event programs with a particular sense of art, design and sense of beauty. Sardinia is really purely in the Mediterranean Sea, with its cozy medieval village. With their own tradition. Its unique history and the civilization of Relais people, the lineage that has populated the island for thousands of years. We offer a good range of nice and luxury accommodation in charming hotels. Discover the island through our branded programs, crafts tours, hiking, or trekking, or live experience in a local farmhouse, testing the very genuine fresh products. Go for a yacht tour around the exotic archipelagos. Enjoy our tailor-made events, cooking shows with the best chefs, incentive programs, Ferrari parties, and so on. All this matched by our exclusive services and supported by our multi-language and skilled staff and guides.